Hello and welcome to Prime News. First look at the headlines. Goa Mining People's Front convenes meeting for clarity on mining policy. Government policy without a roadmap confusing, says Front. Delhi boy Shadik missing from 9th August has bank transaction in Goa at Mapsa and Kalangur. Goa police on alert following possibility of terror recruitment. Transport Department goes hard on rider without helmets. 1,500 fines in last 4 days. Traffic police still waiting order of helmet for pillion rider. Goa celebrates Eid ul-Azha along with nation. Muslims offer special prayers, sacrifice animals. It's Eid Mubarak. Contract forced me to pose in bikini with a tricolor. Model Gail Da Silva reacts on her controversial photo after landing in Goa, winning United Continent title. And FC Goa get in groove, satisfied Zico shakes destiny of Goa-based ISL outfit. Zico praises former Arsenal star Robert Pires but keeps focus on teamwork. And now the news in detail. Goa government's mining policy is confusing the stakeholders. Government in its policy has not set any particular time frame for renewal of mining leases. State government's mining policy says that it will renew the leases under Section 83A of MMDR Act, but subject to the inquiry report of SIT. Expressing these views, Goa Mining People Front has given a call to all the stakeholders for a meeting on Tuesday to discuss the mining renewal policy.
In the mining policy, government has said that state will renew the mining leases in the interest of the mineral development. Many stakeholders are not happy with the government's mining policy. According to the Goa Mining People Front, policy itself is confusing. Policy says renewal of leases will be subject to SIT inquiry report, which industry experts feel it would further delay renewal process.
There is nothing in the policy. There is no timeline. But केन्ना lease deed execute जातले, कोणाच्या फावरान lease deed execute जातले. ताणे अशें म्हटलां की जे वायलेशन आसा तांकां लीज मेळचें ना. शाह कमिशनान म्हटलेल्या प्रमाणे प्रत्येक लीज डिडांचे खंय ना खंय तरी नांव आसा. सो अशें आसतना कोणाक लीज डीड मेळटलें? वायलेशन, मॉडरेट वायलेशन, सबस्टेन्शियल वायलेशन हाजेर परत घोळ जातलो. जो म्हणसर SIT क्लीन चीट दिना आनी जो म्हणसर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटंट्साची टीम हे सगळें इन्वेस्टिगेट करिना आनी जो म्हणसर सगळ्यांक क्लीन चीट मेळना तो म्हणसर आपूण लीज डीड एक्झिक्यूट करचो ना. आता हेजो अर्थ कितें? SIT कितलो वेळ लागतलो आपलो रिपोर्ट दिवपाक हो एक प्रश्न आसा.
Goa Mining People Front opined that government can renew the leases which have already paid the stamp duty. High Court had also directed state government to renew 27 mining leases who had paid stamp duty earlier. If government fails to abide High Court's order, then it would be considered as a contempt.
High Courtan clear direction दिला की ज्या लोकांकडल्यान ज्या लीज होल्डरांकडल्यान तुवें स्टॅम्प ड्युटी कलेक्ट केल्या तांचे लीज तुवें एक्झिक्यूट करपाक जाय. Now, by not doing or not executing the lease deed in favor of these 27 mining leaseholders, you are violating the order of the High Court, which is again you are committing a contempt.
Christopher Fonseca said renewal of 27 mining leases who have earlier paid stamp duty will come under Section 83A. This was High Court's directive, but now NGOs have challenged it in Supreme Court.
If you go behind the whole exercise, go little earlier, there is another case filed by an NGO before the Supreme Court questioning the allotment of leases itself. Now the Goa government is aware of that, eminently aware of it, that there is a matter lying before the Supreme Court.
While machine owners and truck owners have only one demand, resumption of mining operation immediately.
या सरकारान त्या सरकारी उतराचेर आमी आज पर्यंत जगल्या, फाल्यांच्या दिसा जगोंक शकचे ना म्हणून आमगे बेगीच्या बेगीन लीज जावची हें आमगेलें हें आसा.
न्यू जर लिजार दिवपाक गेले जाल्यार 2.5 ते 3 वर्सां लागतली ही सगळी परमिशनां त्या लीज होल्डरान घेवपा खातीर. 2.5 ते 3 वर्सां मायनिंग चालू जावपाना म्हणून आमी सरकाराक जी लीज रिन्यूवल केला ते आमचो पूर्ण पाठिंबो सरकाराक आसतलो.
Goa Mining People Front has called for the meeting on Tuesday. Renewal of mining policy is the agenda of the meeting. Meeting will also deliberate on how much time it will take for the state government to start mining if leases are renewed under Mineral Development Act. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Mystery of sudden disappearance of Shadiq Khan, a youth from Delhi, and his bank transactions in Goa has put Goa police on an alert. Shadiq Khan, an employee of private company from Delhi, went missing on 9th August. In recent times, Indians' intelligence has found that many youth in such cases are found moving out of the country to join terror outfits like Al-Qaeda and ISIS. The question is whether Shadiq's disappearance has any terror link.
Shadiq, a young lad, employee of a private company in Delhi, is missing since 9th August. Shadiq was untraceable from the moment he was on his way to another branch of his company. Delhi police failed to trace him. Now the case investigation shows that it has a Goa link. Not only his disappearance but his transactions in Goa has raised few doubts. He is Bipin, a colleague of Shadiq Ahmed Khan. Bipin has come to Goa in search of Shadiq. It is discovered that some transactions were made through Shadiq's bank account in Mapsa and Kalangut between January to March. Bipin believes that missing of Shadiq has a link with Goa.
हमने ट्रांजैक्शन निकाला इनका बैंक अकाउंट, तब पता चला कि गोवा में बहुत बड़ा ट्रांजैक्शन किया. ब्रगंजा हाउस एक्सिस बैंक से, कलिंगुट में सौजा जेवियर बिल्डिंग है, वहाँ भी एक बैंक है, उससे भी ट्रांजैक्शन ही किया. काफ़ी ट्रांजैक्शन किया है. और जनवरी से लेकर के जनवरी, फरवरी और मार्च, 3 मार्च तक लास्ट ट्रांजैक्शन इसका दिखा रहा है एक्सिस बैंक का, यहाँ का गोवा. तो इसी पर्पज से आया कि हो सकता कि गोवा फिर आया हो.
Bipin says that Shadiq's relations with his family at home and even at office were good. There was no problem. On 9th August, he left his office to visit another branch of the company, but he neither reached that branch nor his office or home.
दिल्ली में काम करते थे शादिक, और 9 अगस्त ठीक रक्षाबंधन से एक दिन पहले ये ऑफिस आया था और 4-4:30 बजे के आसपास इन्होंने बोला कि लाजपत नगर ऑफिस जा रहे हैं, जबकि ये साकेत ऑफिस में काम करता है. और उसके बाद ना तो लाजपत नगर ऑफिस गया और ना ही घर पहुंचा. उसके बाद से वो कहाँ गया विदाउट इन्फॉर्मेशन वो कहीं चला गया है. अब हम कुछ नहीं कह सकते वो कहाँ गया, किस पर्पज से गया, क्यों गया.
Indian intelligence has learned that many youth migrate country or join terror outfits like Al-Qaeda and ISIS. In the past, it has been exposed that terrorists like David Headley and Yasin Bhatkal had made Goa as their hideout and planned their terror acts. But Bipin doesn't believe that Shadiq has links with such elements.
इसे बाई नेचर ही बहुत सॉफ्ट लड़का है. तभी इसका कोई घर में ना कोई झंझट है, ना किसी से कुछ हुआ था, तब भी ये चला गया है. क्यों गया पता नहीं.
Goa police has taken this matter very seriously and are probing the case links. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist from Garfari for Prudent.
Transport Department has tightened the noose around goons riding without wearing helmets. People who are fined will not be allowed to ride motorcycle till they wear a helmet. Transport Department has fined around 300 people in last 4 days, while RTO officers have fined around 1,200 people. Traffic police have not yet received any kind of notification on a helmet compulsion for pillion riders.
Transport Department had announced helmet compulsion for rider and pillion rider from 2nd October, but traffic police have still not received any order to this effect.
2 तारखेच्यान ड्रायव्ह स्टार्ट केला आणि हेल्मेटाचो रूल आमी स्ट्रिक्ट केला ऑन द रोड. म्हणटकच फायनी अशें आसा, 2 तारखेक आमच्यो 400 सुमार केसी जाल्या, मागीर 3 तारखेक 265 जाल्या, 4 तारखेक 315. ना डबल न्ही. आतां आमी वी आर ओनली इम्प्लिमेंटींग हेल्मेट्स स्ट्रिक्टली फॉर द रायडर ऑन द रोड. सबसिक्वेंट आमकां इंस्ट्रक्शन येता त्या प्रमाणे आमी वी वील एक्ट. आतां आमी वी आर ओनली एन्श्योरिंग दॅट ऑल पीपल हू आर ऑन द हायवे, रायडींग ऑन द हायवे ऑन अ 2-wheeler वील वेअर हेल्मेट्स. न्ही ताजे बद्दल म्हाका इंस्ट्रक्शन येना. आय एम फॉलोईंग इंस्ट्रक्शन येना बरोबर आमी करतले. रायट नाव we are only ensuring that strict helmet is worn on the road. by the rider.
A tourist from Hyderabad says nobody should wait for order or compulsion. One should wear helmet voluntarily.
अभी ड्राइवर ने कहा था जिससे कार में आया था कि अभी नया रूल निकला है तो हेलमेट इज़ कंपलसरी, लेकिन हम लोग ने सेफ्टी के लिए पहना है. मैं अभी हैदराबाद में रहता हूँ, वहाँ पर कंपलसरी नहीं है, बट आई स्टिल वेयर हेलमेट ऑल द टाइम.
Rajendra Volvekar from Betim feels that helmet compulsion for both riders will create more confusion.
आता आम्ही एकूच घेऊन शॉपार गेला थंय विचारता एकदा परत गडबड जाता. आता समज इमर्जन्सी कितें येयली आनी बायल खंय जावं चेडो कोणाकूय घेवन गेलो जाल्यार मागीर दुसरें म्हणजे लिफ्टूय दिवंक कोणाक मेळची ना, म्हणून एक कंपलसरी ओके आसलेलें, दोन म्हणटून मातशें त्रास जाता न्हू.
Video journalist Chetan Gauss and Tulsidas Shari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.